On today's video, I am reviewing the Louis Vuitton Neonoe bucket bag. Hello everyone, it's your Luxe Queen Jackie. I hope you're having a marvelous day. I put out videos once a week on lifestyle, handbags, fashion, beauty, and makeup. Today I'm reviewing for you the Louis Vuitton Neonoe bucket bag. I have the Louis Vuitton Neonoe bag in the red interior, which is also called the poppy interior. First I'm going to show you the exterior of the bag. I have it in monogram with the red treated leather. Here are the straps. It's such a beautiful and stunning and iconic bag. Look at the straps. It's the red treated leather with the gold hardware everywhere. It's so beautiful. It is monogram like I showed you. Look at the front. Here's the side of the bag. Here is the back of the bag. It is 2 pieces of canvas, so that's why the LVs are right side up in this side and right side up on this side too. Usually some of the bags, they make it with 1 piece of canvas, so you see right side, the LVs are one side, and then when you turn it around, it's upside down. It's the way it's supposed to be. But this one is made with 2 pieces of canvas, so that's why this one is not like that. This Neonoe bag is 10.2 inches long, 10.2 inches high, and 6.9 inches wide. The strap drop is 13 inches, but it can convert into a crossbody, and the strap converts into a 22-inch strap. I'm going to show you how easy it is to convert this bag into a crossbody bag. You have the strap. It has 2 little snaps here. One if you want it a little longer, or if you want it a little shorter. You unsnap the shoulder strap on both sides. Just unsnap it and then just pull it. You see how easy? Just pull it, these 2 ends towards the top, and it joins here, and now it is a crossbody strap. And if you want to put it back, you just take it back down, just pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it on one side and snap it back on the little snap, and on the other side down and snap it back on. And now it is back to a shoulder bag. The straps are removable, so you can just unclip it and remove the strap, and you can just have the bucket. You can put another strap. Some people like to put guitar straps on them or chain straps, but why would you? It has such a pretty strap. So I'm going to put it back on, and I'm going to show you the inside of the bag. So I'm going to pull here so that I can open the bag and you can see it. This is the inside of the bag. She is so beautiful. Mine is in red microfiber lining with a flat zippered pocket in the middle that you can put your wallet, or whatever you want to put in there, that you don't want it to be just in plain, not in plain view, but just all over your bag. Look how beautiful that is. That color is so rich and so pretty. I just love this bag so much. It is one of my favorite Louis Vuitton bags. I got mine a few years ago, but right now this bag is selling in the Louis Vuitton website for $1,810. I want to give you a little bit of history about this bag. The Louis Vuitton Noe bag, this is the Neonoe, but the original bag, the Noe bag, was created, it was the first bucket bag ever made, and it was actually created for the men's collection in 1932. Louis Vuitton's grandson decided he wanted to make a bucket bag because he liked to go to parties a lot and he liked to bring champagne with him. So he created this bag so that he can put champagne bottles in it. In the inside, it did not have this center pocket. It was just the bucket, and he was able to put 5 bottles of champagne in here. He would put 4 right side up and then one upside down. And that way he can bring his champagne to the parties with him in his Noe bag. The closure of the bag, this type of closure, would ensure that the champagne bottles would not break when he would carry them. They would be all snug together inside and they would not break because of this closure, the way he made this bag. The name Noe is derived from the Bible. It comes from Noah's Ark. When Noah survived the flood in his wooden ark after he became a winemaker. So this is why Louis Vuitton's grandson named it the Noe. He was not going to carry wine in it. I mean, he could if he wanted to, but he was going to use it for champagne. But he decided it was a good name for this bag to name it the Noe. Here is everything that I fit in my Neonoe bag. Let's start with my Victorine wallet. Put it right in here. My mini pochette accessoire that I use as a catch-all. I put anything that I don't want just roaming around my bag here. I have scrunchies. I put receipts in here. A lip gloss, anything that I really want, I put it in here. So that's gonna go in here. In the middle compartment, I'm going to put my keys because I want easy access when I get home to find my keys. I'm gonna, in the middle compartment, put my lip balm. This is a Gucci lip balm, which I love. It's so pretty. It looks like pinky orange, but when you put it on, it's like a clear with a little hue of pink. It's beautiful. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description below. I'm gonna put a link to everything in the description below. So here's the lip gloss, my phone charger. I'm not gonna put my phone because I'm using it to film, but I'm gonna put the phone case so that you can see it's because of the size. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it's the big one. So I'm gonna put it in here. A hairbrush, antibacterial gel. I'm gonna put that right in the middle also because I want easy access. My YSL card holder, put that in there. I have my AirPods Pro, which I have a little case for it. Here, I'm gonna put that right in there. My Ray-Ban sunglasses. I'm gonna use the case that it's not leather, material. That's what I want to say. The material one. So here it is. It goes right in there. I'm even gonna put a water bottle so that you can see. I'm also gonna put a compact right in there. And look, there's still so much space in there. Look, the middle compartment, I can put much more things in there. And look, even with the water bottle, look how much space I have in there that I can put many more things if I wanted to. And now I'm gonna close it up and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So pretty. It's such a pretty and useful bag. And let me tell you, I carry it on my shoulder, I carry it crossbody, and I also carry it in the crook of my arm. I got this little strap from Amazon, which I'm also gonna put the link below. And what I do is I take it and I clip it to the sides of the bag like this. And clip. And now I also carry it in my hand or in my arm. See? That is a wonderful addition to this bag, and it's the exact same color, the exact same color of my strap. I'm gonna put it below so that you can see it. I'm going to insert some mod shots of how I use this bag. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Louis Vuitton Neonoe bag. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm going to put some videos up here so that you can see some other reviews that I have done. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a glorious day, and I will see you soon in my next video.